After the last video, a lot of people ask me which is the best canifera for my espresso, and that's what we are looking at in this video. We have two very classic qualities here on my table. This one here is a natural canifera from the region of Bukoba in Tanzania, and this one here is a washed canifera from the region of Karnataka in India. This one is screen 16, this one is screen 18, so this is a bit smaller than this one here. And now we're having a look at these coffees. You see the India Parchment here has a very classic green coffee look, while the Bukoba from Tanzania has this particular golden brown look that you recognize immediately. Now let's have a look at how dense these coffees are. India Parchment with 799 grams per liter is quite a hard bean. On the other hand, Tanzania Robusta with 753 grams per liter, quite a soft bean. Now let's have a look at how much caffeine those both caniferas have. Tanzania Robusta has 105 milligrams per deciliter on caffeine. And India Parchment has 94 milligrams per deciliter on caffeine. But now finally, let's compare the taste of the coffees. So both coffees are very typical for caniferas. They have a low acidity, they're full-bodied, they have some herbal notes, they have some notes of nuts, but all in all, they're not extremely characteristic in their taste. The India Parchment is very clear, it's very neutral, it doesn't have anything particularly interesting, but also nothing disturbing, it's quite mild in its taste. On the other hand, the Tanzania Robusta has some sweetness in it, some complexity in it, also some fermented tastes which are coming from those natural processing. So all in all, if you compare the two coffees, India Robusta quite mild, muted in its taste, it has a little bit less caffeine, it has quite less chlorogenic acid than the Tanzania Robusta. Then the Tanzania Robusta, which is a bit more sweet, a bit more fermenty, a bit more full-bodied. And it also has a bit more caffeine and also quite a bit more on chlorogenic acid in it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to have more videos like this, then write it in the comment. I look forward to hearing from you.